Welcome to YCfee. Today, we're going to explore the journey of those golden butter cubes from the farm to the delicious products we enjoy every day. Butter is a familiar ingredient in every kitchen. But do you know how butter makes its way from the farm to our tables? Join us as we find out. Butter isn't just a common ingredient in many dishes. It's also a source of essential fats and vitamins for our bodies. But how are these smooth and delicious butter cubes created? The secret to great butter starts with happy cows. At dairy farms in the US, technology is used to create the most relaxing and comfortable environment for the cows. This significantly improves the quality of the milk. These happy cows not only provide fresh, high-quality milk, but also ensure that the butter production process starts with the best raw material. Let's explore the modern milking process at American farms, where every step is carried out with the highest hygiene standards. The modern milking process not only ensures cleanliness, but also protects the health of the cows, keeping them in the best condition to produce delicious milk. Every drop of fresh milk is the result of care and advanced technology. And from this fresh milk, the journey to transform it into golden butter cubes begins. Stay tuned to learn more about the modern and sophisticated butter production process. Before being used in the butter production process, each batch of milk undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the highest quality. The fresh milk, once selected, goes through a quick pasteurization process, Heated to between 85 degrees Celsius and 90 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds. This kills any unwanted bacteria and enzymes, ensuring the safety and quality of the butter. Only the best batches of fresh milk are selected to move on to the processing stage. After pasteurization, the milk is fermented with selected microorganisms to create a special cultured cream. The butter fat is then processed to remove water and increase the natural fat content. After inspection, the milk is sent to modern cream separators. These machines use centrifugal force to separate the cream from the rest of the milk. This results in pure cream with the precise fat concentration. The pure cream is then placed into specialized churns. This process creates smooth butter granules, a result of the perfect coordination between the machinery and specialized equipment. Once the butter granules are formed, workers continue by adding ingredients like salt and shaping the butter. Automated machines mold the butter into neat blocks of sticks, ready for the final stage of production. Before packaging, each butter product is inspected again to ensure it meets food safety standards. The laboratory is equipped with modern equipment and strictly controlled to ensure the final product's quality. And after a long journey from the dairy farm to the modern factory, we finally have those delicious, creamy blocks of butter. Let's summarize the butter production process one more time. From happy cows, milk is harvested and undergoes rigorous quality checks. The cream is separated and churned into smooth butter. Then, the butter is seasoned, shaped, and carefully packaged before reaching consumers. Butter isn't just a familiar ingredient. It also has many fascinating aspects you might not know. Let's explore them together. The long history of butter. Butter has been used for thousands of years and was once used as a trading commodity in some cultures. Different types of butter around the world. Butter comes in various types with different flavors and fat contents, depending on the milk source, production methods, and added seasonings. Tips for keeping butter fresh. Butter should be stored in the refrigerator at -5 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight, and in an airtight container. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at some butter-tastic dishes that pair perfectly with butter. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next ones. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to catch more exciting videos.